Today's rig lesson, we will be going over the letter C, which most of you know how to say the sounds of it. The sound of a letter is called a phonogram. Can you say that with me? Phonogram. The sound of a letter is called a phonogram. So let's go over the phonograms for C. I'll say it first, and then you repeat after me. K, S. Say it with me. K, S. Say it one more time. K, S. Good. So let's say it one more time. K, S. K, S. Good. Now, what I need you to do is I want you to go get this sheet of paper. It says, make 4 perfect C's. Make 4 perfect C's. Go get that piece of paper from inside your binder. And when you have that, you can put play back on the video, okay? So put pause right now, go get that, and get that out and ready for us to start. Okay, now that you are back with us, let us begin. I'm gonna go ahead and share my screen with you. There we go. There we go. Perfect. So now the first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna adjust it to our name tag. Good. Then you're gonna grab your pencil and make sure that it has the right grip. Gentle grip, not super tight. Gentle grip. And the first thing that we're going to do is we are going to write our name at the top corner of our paper. So my hand is going to go over here so it doesn't slide. My back is straight. How are your blocks stacked? And let's begin. Write your name. Full name. Good. If you need more time to write your name, put pause right now and finish writing your name. Okay, now that your name has been written down, let's write the date. September 15, comma, 2020. Good. And then we write JM cross JT. Okay. Now for this, I'm going to zoom in my camera. If you still need more help, and if you still need more time filling in your sheet of paper, that's so fine. Just put pause. There we go. Perfect. So let's go over our lines. This is the top baseline. This is the middle dotted line, and this is the baseline. So this is very important that you listen, okay? So let's begin. I like to draw a circle up here in the corner, so it helps me remember when I'm giving directions. So remember, it's a 10, an 8, a 2, and a 4. Okay, so I like to just put it there just as reference. So today we're gonna make 4 perfect C's. If that means the whole page, you're just making C's until you get a perfect one, that means you have to, you take as many chances as you need to make 4 perfect C's. Perfect. If they are not perfect, I will have you sit down in class and you come drop off your packet, and you will do it again. So it is better for you to do it right today than for you to not do it correctly and then have to sit and do it again. So listen carefully. C is a short letter. That means it's going to go below the middle dotted line. Gonna go below the middle dotted line. Is it gonna go above? No. Is it gonna go below? Yes. So it's a short clock letter. Start at 2 on the clock. When I say start, I mean grab your pencil and put the tip on the pencil where the 2 is. Okay, that means start. Put your pencil right there where you're about to begin. Put it on the paper. Start at 2 on the clock. Go up and around to touch the dots. Up and around means up, and you kind of make it like a circle. Up and around, I'm touching the dots. This is a dot. Up and around to touch the dots. And then keep on going towards the circle hand. That means I'm gonna go around the circle hand. Around, make like a curve. Start at 2, touch the dots. Keep going towards the circle hand. Go down past 10. Curve down, meaning I'm curving in like a circle, curving in. Curve down past 8 to set your letter on the baseline. Circle up to 4 and stop. Okay, Miss Santana did not do her best work because look, this is the baseline. Did she go over it? Yeah, Miss Santana went over it. So guess what Miss Santana is gonna do? Just gonna cross it off and I'm gonna try it again. Start at 2 on the clock. Go up and around to touch the dots. Keep going towards the circle hand. So I mean curving it. Go down past 10 and curve down past 8. Set your letter on the baseline. Circle up to 4 and stop. Lift your pencil. Now, does that look like a good C? That looks like a very good C. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna give a little check mark right here. That looks like a perfect C. Goes over, okay, that looks like a perfect C. So let's keep on trying. Start at 2 on the clock. Go up and around to touch the dots. Up and around to touch the dots. Keep going towards the circle hand. Go past 10. Curve down past 8 and set your letter on the baseline. Circle up to 4. Lift up your pencil and stop. That's good. That's good. That C kind of went over a little bit, so I'm just gonna leave it, but I don't think that's a perfect C. I think I curved in a little too much. Try again. Start at 2 on the clock. Go up and around and touch the dots. Keep going towards the circle hand. Go past 10 and curve down past 8. Set your letter on the baseline. Circle up to 4 and stop. Lift your pencil. Good. That looks like a good C. I really think this is a perfect C. So I'm gonna try to make another one that just looks like that one. So although this is good, I don't think this is perfect. That one looks pretty good. So let's keep on trying again. Start at 2 on the clock, go up and around to touch the dots. Keep on going, circling around the circle hand. Go past 10, curve down past 8 to set your letter on the baseline. Circle up to 4. Stop, lift your pencil. That's okay, but it's not my best C. So I'm gonna keep on practicing. Start at 2 on the clock, touch the dots. Keep going towards the circle hand. Go past 10, curve down, past 8, set your letter on the baseline. circle up to 4, stop, lift your pencil. Now that's a really good C. So I'm gonna say, okay, so now I have 2 C's. But I gotta keep on practicing. I have to have 4 perfect C's. If this one is better than this one, then I have to erase my check mark. Oops, Miss Santana erased. Nope, we don't erase, we just cross off. So that doesn't count anymore as my perfect one because this one's more perfect. So now I have to try to get 4 more like these. Does that make sense, boys and girls? So I want you to make 4 perfect C's. I want you to give me the best penmanship that you can. Okay, let's try it one more time. Start at 2 on the clock. Go up and around to touch the dots. Keep going towards the circle hand. Go past 10 and curve down past 8. Set your letter on the baseline. Circle up to 4. Stop and lift your pencil. No, that looks too much like an oval. It's not a good C. Let's try again. Start at 2 on the clock. Go up and around, touch the dots. Keep going towards the circle hand. Go past 10 and curve down past 8. Set your letter on the baseline. Circle up to 4. Stop. Lift your pencil. That's a good C. That's another perfect C. So now I have 2 good C's. Do you see that? So now I need 2 more. So I'm going to stop right there. I'm going to let you go ahead and practice. Once you go ahead and pick your best C's, I just want you to circle them softly. 1, 2. But boys and girls, Miss Santana maybe needed to do all of these until I got perfect C's. They must be perfect. Okay? Perfect means that it doesn't go over the middle dotted line. It doesn't go below the baseline. The lines don't touch together. They're not so close. You start at the 2 on the clock. You end at the 4 on the clock. They're round enough. Okay, boys and girls? So I need 4 perfect C's. I know you guys can do it. So that is our assignment for today. Keep on practicing. Keep on doing this. And if you need more help, just keep on replaying the video. Okay? That is it for today. I hope that you are able to master writing that C. Okay? Totus tuus, Maria.